Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rekey an ABUS 83 series padlock. Now, these padlocks you're going to key up the same way and use the same pins that you would on a standard Kwikset or Schlage keyway lock. Now, let me open it up and I'll show you how to do it. The first thing we're going to do here is we're just going to stick the key in. Now, when ABUS sells these locks, they always come with this just zero-bitted uncut key. So you're just going to stick that key in, you're going to turn it, you're going to pop it open here. You're going to see this Phillips screw down there. You're going to go ahead and loosen that up, just like that. And this cylinder is going to come out the bottom, okay? Oh, there's that little Z-bar. Move that off to the side. I'll put a notes below in about the Z-bar. You can watch a video on that. And here you are. So you're going to see there's this nice pinning window right here, which makes it really quick and easy and simple to rekey these locks. Now, in order to, if I hold it like this, and you can see is I can turn it to the right, but I can't turn it to the left to get to this window here to pin the lock. So as what I'm going to do on this other side on the back, you're going to see this little pin here. So as what you have to do, and it's a little bit awkward here, is you just have to push this pin in and turn at the same time. So I was turning with this hand, and so what I'm going to do is I turned it enough, I'm going to move this over, and now you can see all of the pins, so we can rekey it. Now you'll notice that the 6 chamber is empty, so if we were going to pin up a 6-pin lock, they provide us with the top pin, the spring, and this little cap. So you're really just going to dump it in. Let me move this a little bit and I'll show you. You're just going to put the top pin, the spring, and then the little cap on here to keep it there. So it's really easy to switch from a 5-pin to a 6-pin lock. Now once we have this exposed here, I'm going to go in and I'll just dump this out. All right, just like that. I'm going to take this key out. I'm going to put this Kwikset key that we'll pin it up to. I've got a pinning kit right up above here. Let me go ahead and just pin it up. So the cuts are 21152. So we're going to go 2 1 1 5 2, just like that. All right, as you can see all that, they're right in there, so we can even test it, which is nice. You can test it right there and make sure everything's good. And once it's good, you're just gonna snap it back. That pin's gonna pop back out right there, so it's not gonna be able to go to the left again, and you're good to go. All we have to do now is we'll put this Z-bar back on here, like that. Stick this back in the lock. Now, when you get it here, you just have to turn it. It'll snap in. We'll tighten up this Phillips screw, just like that. And there we go. So we're going to just snap this back in. And we're good to go. That's how you rekey an ABUS 83 series padlock. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.